In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browser cookies and cache and turn off your VPN or proxy to resolve any irritating access errors you might be encountering when trying to access ChatGPT. Sometimes, corrupt cookies can cause such glitches, and VPNs or proxies might be causing unnecessary suspicion for ChatGPT's firewall. So, stick around and let's get you back online smoothly. Let's start by addressing the cookies and cache issue for those of you using Chrome. Corrupt cookies might be one of the culprits behind some of the headaches you're experiencing with access errors. To fix this, we'll need to clear these and give your system a clean slate. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to your settings. You'll want to look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. It's the area where all the magic relating to data management happens. Once there, you should see an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. In the options that appear, you'll have two key items to focus on: cookies and cached images and files. Make sure these options are selected. By doing this, you're telling Chrome to get rid of stored data that might be causing issues whenever you reload pages or try to access various sites, including ChatGPT. When you're ready, go ahead and click Clear Data. Now, this part's important. After clearing, you need to close your browser completely and then reopen it. This step helps ensure that the changes you made take full effect. Feel free to try accessing ChatGPT again after doing this and see if it resolves your issue. Let's shift gears now and talk about something else that might be creating a barrier: your VPN or proxy. VPNs are terrific for privacy, but sometimes they can make your connection look suspicious to ChatGPT's firewall. So the second thing you'll want to do is temporarily disable your VPN or proxy service. This step is relatively straightforward, and how you do it might depend a little on what service you're using. Generally, you will want to open your VPN or proxy application and look for an option to pause or disconnect. Once disabled, try reloading the web page by visiting the ChatGPT site again. You may find this quick fix to be effective, giving you the access you need without further hiccups. With these straightforward steps, you should be well on your way to resolving those pesky access errors. Clearing cookies and cache, combined with checking your VPN or proxy, can tackle the common hurdles in accessing ChatGPT. If one method doesn't work, the other might just do the trick. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it gets you back on track quickly. Thanks for joining.